Strange Plants, written by Kira Free. Focus question: what makes some plants strange? When we think about plants, we often think of trees, flowers, and grass. Like most plants, these plants have green leaves. They also have roots growing to the ground. Some plants are not like most plants. This book is about some of these strange plants. Plants called air plants live in trees high above the ground. Their roots are not buried in dirt. Instead, they grow on tree branches. They take moisture from the air, not from the soil as most plants do. Can you imagine plants that eat meat? Well, there are such plants that eat insects, spiders, and even some other small animals. One well-known meat-eating plant is the Venus flytrap. Its leaves look like straps. They have small spikes along their edges. When the critter works inside the leaves snap shut. The critter is trapped. The sundew is also a meat-eating plant. It has many stick hairs on the surface. Insects landing on it get stuck. When the plant gets the insect, the giant sundew plants of Australia even eat small frogs. Some plants steal fruits from other plants. The dogger plant sends rotten pods into another plant. It sucks food and water from the plant. It is parasites. A parasite is a list of other living things. Many flowers have bad smells that attract insects. The Staphylia flower smells like rotting meat. Flies like the smell when they fly into the flower. Special powder gets on their body. They take a powder to other flowers. The flower is a powder to make seeds and grow new plants. Some plants look like stones. The plants in these pictures are called stone plants or living stones. They live in very hot, dry places. They hold water very well. Their shape helps to hide them so that animals do not eat them. Some cactus plants are covered with wool like hairs. The wool protects them from daytime heat. It protects them from nighttime cold. The wool also helps the cactus plant to hold moisture. Some trees and shrubs grow out of the solid rock. They grow up high where the wind blows strong. Their roots reach down to small cracks for moisture. As the roots grow, they split the rock. Some plants and animals live inside them. Ant colony lives inside the plants. They use spaces in the plant stem as houses. Some spaces are used for raising young ants. Other places are used for garbage. The ants plant use some of this garbage for food. There are many more kinds of strange plants. Bamboos make noises when it grows. Some Australian orchids grow and flower completely underground. There are many amazing plants in the world. Glossary: a check to draw someone or something near. Branches: parts of a tree that grow up and down from the trunk. They get protected food in the body and turn it into energy. Molecules: a small amount of water in the form of liquid or vapor. Parasite: a plant or animal that grows on or teeth of another. Plants: living things make their own food from sunlight and cannot move from place to place on their own. Connection reading: choose to string plants from the book. Read the paragraphs comparing and contrasting to the two plants. Science and art: choose one string plant from the book to research further. Draw a diagram of plants and label its important features.